Oh shit. Good morning everyone. Welcome to Eklavya online classes. As you all know that due to light problem, we face some problem. So again write down question number 1. Who has written this article? Who has written this article? This article, orally question. These are orally questions. So answer 1 is, this article was written by Christie himself. Okay. Question number 2 is what? How many brothers and sisters did the writer have in all? How many brothers and sisters did the writer have in all? Have in all. So what is the answer? Second is, right, Christie Brown has 21 brothers and Christie Brown has had 21 brothers and sisters of whom 17 lived. Question 3 I write here, answer already written. Okay. So what was the momentous decision taken by the author's mother that would greatly affect the author's life, greatly affect the author's future life. Answer already written, the momentous decision taken by the author's mother. So you all note down this. Now after that answer number 5 I write over here. So see answer number 5. 1 complete, 2nd complete. Now answer number 5 I write. Christie's relatives said that he was an idiot and beyond help, and suggested that he should be sent to an institution for the mentally challenged. This is 5th answer. Clear? Now 6th. Question number 6. What did Chris snatch from his sister's hand one afternoon, and why? Why? So answer is what? Christy snatched a stick of chalk from his sister's hand one day. Because that stick of chalk attracts him a lot. Now question number D. Now tick the correct answer. You tick in book only. First is C, second is B, and third is A. Clear? Now answer the following question. Question number 1. What was the author's illness when it was noticed and by whom? What was the author's illness? What was the author's illness and when was it noticed and by whom? When was it noticed and by whom? When was it noticed and by whom? Now answer number 1 is Christy Brown suffered from cerebral palsy. It was his mother who first noticed it when he was about 4 months old. Now question number 2 is what was the advice of the doctors and others to the author's mother? What was the advice of the doctors and others to the author's mother did she believe in? Author's mother, did she believe in? The doctors said that Christy was a hopeless case, and many others told his mother that he was mentally defective and would remain so. But his mother refused to believe or accept it. Third question is what? Describe the efforts of the author's mother. Describe the efforts of the author's mother to take care of her especially abled son. To take care of his to take care of his specially abled son, specially abled son, his mother treated Christy just like the others, she loved and cared for all his needs. She piled up pillows to help him sit up. She would show him books with picture and say their names to get him to repeat them. She was the one who wrote A on the floor and encouraged him to write it on the slate with the chalk using his left foot. Now, question number 4. Question number 4 is, what incident made the mother or the author cry with joy? What incident made the mother or author cry with joy? When little Christy reached out to grasp one of her curls involuntarily, and the letter, when he wrote the letter A for the first time using his left foot. His mother shed tears. Question number 5 is, describe the efforts made by the author to write the letter A the first time, Answer is, Christy's mother wrote A on the floor and asked him to copy it, holding the chalk in his left foot. Christie jerkily produced a shaky line on the slate. His mother held the slate steady and kept encouraging him to write and write again. He finally drew the letter A. He finally drew the letter A on the floor with awkward wobbling sides and a very uneven center line, but it was the letter A. Here your chapter is completed. Okay, so everyone note down in your fair notebook. Thank you and have a nice day.